Samsung just dropped their most powerful smartphone yet. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. But is it really worth the hype, or is it just another expensive flagship? Let's find out. Right out of the gate, the S26 Ultra feels premium. Samsung refined the design again, slimmer bezels, a cleaner frame, and that massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. You're getting Quad HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and one of the brightest screens ever put on a smartphone. Samsung also added a privacy display feature, making the screen harder to view from the side, perfect for public places. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, for Galaxy built specifically for AI and high-performance tasks. Whether you're gaming, editing 8K video, or multitasking like crazy, this phone doesn't slow down. It ships with Android 16 running One UI 8.5, and Samsung promises 7 years of updates, which is massive. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where the S26 Ultra shines. You get a 200-megapixel main camera, backed by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and advanced telephoto lenses for insane zoom. Low-light photography is noticeably better this year, with cleaner night shots and improved stabilization. And for selfies, a sharp 12-megapixel front camera that handles both photos and video beautifully. If you're a content creator, this phone is a beast. The S26 Ultra can record 8K video, and it's one of the first phones to support professional APV video codecs, meaning higher quality even after editing. Stabilization is excellent, making handheld footage look almost gimbal smooth. Samsung is pushing hard with Galaxy AI, and it actually feels useful this time. You can remove objects from photos, edit images with text prompts, summarize documents, and get smart suggestions based on how you use your phone. AI here isn't just a gimmick, it's baked into daily tasks. Battery life stays solid with a 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day. And with 60-watt fast charging, you can go from nearly empty to most of your battery in about half an hour. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra worth it? If you want the best Android camera, top-tier performance, a stunning display, and future-proof software support, this phone delivers. It's not cheap, but this is Samsung at its absolute best. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or are you sticking with your current phone? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.